We will start in 5 minutes.
Kaya music ninyo, nakawig. Convert ko pa na karon, naglawig ko na.
Paano na?
Mauntat ko dito yung live stream nyo. Untat ko live stream ko, ma-edit ako naka-music nyo. Hindi na yung piportahan music nyo.
Ano?
Convert ko pa dito ko pa ang music nyo sa MP4. Madugayan pa ni sa chorus. Tani ginano nyo na ya. Hindi ko na problema ya.
Dami ipasa, ano nila sa akin, kaya may USB, ito yan.
Ma'am, kaya ang send nila na version, wait, lain na version, hindi MP4.
Direct po, wala.
Yes, we will start in 3 minutes. So, last one pang picture sa mga kanila.
Paano na dyan?
May dito, sila lang.
Hindi lang ano, pag ano, kayo pagdating sa
Pero kung may ari diyan, ang pwede lang
Harap.
May ari day.
May ari ko to mo.
May
May araman sa ano, may ano ka magkakak.
Dali lang ko kayo nagmura ko ng music. Kaya,
We would like to announce, please have the phone. We will start in 3 minutes.
makainis na kami.
Sa ating mga guests,
Napulak.
to all our OFW families, please, pumasok na po tayo so that we can start this program. Maraming salamat po. Ito lang sa entrance natin. Please, go back to your seats and your group or your organizations, please, so that we can start. We would like to request our dear beloved Castle Managers to please join our guests here in front so that we can easily acknowledge you later, guys.
Get nag-ilis.
If you all our dear
Ang
Castle
cellphone niya,
Managers, please join us here in front.
Nang may kapit sa ka-music na mo, no?
For our
Nang mga kami kaya yung kakuha nila sa namon sa cellphone, no? Kaya hindi ito makuha ng sa USB.
Wala.
Dali lang ipunta pa din. Dali lang guys. Why hindi na lang mag-USB ka? May kuha na lang USB mo pero si Jack.
I-send na lang ko sa email. O sige lang kayo ipatransfer.
Hindi, transfer na lang ko dito sa ila.
Nakakonect ko mo sila, Jack. Ano na sa cellphone, transfer ka na
May
lang.
wifi din sila.
At hindi madala sa email na lang. Basta makano, hindi ka mo magamit. Hindi, basta magkano ka mo magamit. Maski isa lang kag-gig, basta kag-gig. Ay ba mo ang kamunin ka kakurap na yung wala ka hindi magamit. Wait na mo sa
Tawag ko na lang to si Ket. Tawag ko na lang si Jack.
Sige, ilis na kami to kami na lang. Ilis na kami man. Ilis na kami to. Ano na? Arikan na lang na. Sa transfer natin dyan. Hindi ma-transfer.
Sorry, ma'am.
Nakamuna ka na, patala, kabutsan sa iyo. Wala ng time. Dapat yung mga bakit.
We would like to request everyone, please hang around. about to start in 1 minute.
Okay ni Jack. Dahil na nang iwan kami tayo. Ano nga lang? Ano pa name?
Sumba.
Merry Christmas everyone to please stand on. We are about to start the OFW Kapatid Celebration 2025. Maraming salamat po.
Ang ila ko, ro, ka, ano, may problema, pwede ko may virus. Corrupt job.
Murag Japon. Hindi, convert ka pa na sa MP4. Hindi na MP4 mo.
Di ano, bitch.
I-convert agad na. Kaya kaya may convert ka agad.
Dalawa ka tan, mamunta ka sa balay ko lang.
Ang bawa ka, kaya convert pa nila. Dapat ang ano nila, yung audio. Hindi ka mag-music, MP4 dapat ano, dito, ni MP4.
MP4, ano na yung mobile na yung mga MP4 hindi.
M-WAV nga. Naka-wave yung ila, no, file? Entrance na.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your host.
Now we'll give you this. Grace and Andrew Myers. This is your Marino host ng Iloilo, Mark Simona. How about let's give ourselves a big round of applause. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 2025 OFW Family Day here at Bacolod. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat for joining us and of course for giving us the time and your efforts to be here. I know that we're all excited for our event for today because we have our song Zumba Dance Contest later on. Are you all excited? Perfect. So before we start today's celebration, may I request everyone that was all stand for a prayer to the following singing of the Philippine National Alright, so at this point in time, so we'll be acknowledging, of course, our upcoming family. So I call our organizations or your family team, so I would like to hear any sound, any cheers, any yell. So prepare one of the things also, please. Please set the sound. And our OFW, the Negros Occidental Federation Incorporated. Please, where are the people of Federation of OFW Farming Circle? Alisa City. Here, another cheers. I need energy. Ready, 3, 2, 1, go. Madam, please, salamat po. Now, please, where the people of Victoria City OFW Federation Incorporated Kazakhstan. Here, guys. And if you go right now, please, perfect. I would like to give your cheers and energy team. I prepared them there. Right, sir? Now, please, where the nation of Porsche. Where are you? Yes, sir. Please prepare for the welcoming meeting of portfolio and family farmers association. Alright, dear ladies and gentlemen, OFW Federation of Porsche. Yes, the public teacher big one. Porsche. Where are the participants from the United Economic Farmers Association? Is that there? Please prepare to go and publish federation. The biggest one for the Economic Partners Association. Yeah, where are the federation? Please prepare to select the CEO and probably public sector. Basta iyo ko grabe, seriously, ako pala, is the longest CEO of the Lebanon Circle. Here, please prepare to lie overseas workers Federation Incorporated. Maraming salamat CEO of the Lebanon Circle. Maraming salamat po. Ako sila ay overseas workers Federation Incorporated. Please remember Dr. Himaway Line of the Federation. Three. Go. Yeah, thank you so much. Now, our talking Himaway Line. Ayan, ibig sa dalawa ng celebration, please prepare. Where are the people that want please prepare to magkakaroon each one of your presentation. Maybe you have another word. Okay, ibig sabihin wow! Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much. Ibig sabihin Federation. Let's start CEO of the Federation, please. Saan kayo? Nasaan kayo para sa CEO of the Supervisor sila. Please prepare for the health overseas and the workers association of FWA. Very ready, ladies and gentlemen. Lord Santiago, CEO of W.
Sagaya City, are you ready? Sagaya City, are you ready? Hey. From the sea, from the river, give me a hand, give me a hand, give me a hand, give me a hand, give me a hand. Yeah.
Grabe ka prepared. Please, Workers Association, let's start kayo. There! Please remember kayo ng Vendors Association. Get ready, 3, 2, 1, go! Grabe, energy! Maraming salamat po. Para sa inyong Please, we have a Vendors Association. Alright, before we proceed, sa ating barangay ng President of the organization, Rosemary Almore, please state your breakfast for. Ikaw ba naman sa ito? Please state your breakfast. Give your name to your president. Para kailangan ko kayo nakapagpalit. Ikaw na lang po tayo kung yung president. Pero iba ka lang na pag-member sa Pilipinas. Thank you so much. Welcome to the Association. Now, where the process criteria of governing regulation process ayun, please prepare legal document for governing regulation. Regional so beautiful. Thank you so much, Ross Padilla is the best. That's a big and bagger OFW regulation sa atin ayun. Sa please prepare Barangay Paraiso Women OFW Vendors Association. She was one of the big and bagger OFW Ladies and gentlemen, guys, I Farmers Association, maraming salamat po. And now, we have Barangay Bato OFW Association. Saan kayo? I see, yeah. Barangay at Ipuluhan OFW Association. Nasaan sila? Dear Baman. Please prepare Barangay Bacolas OFW and Vendors Association. Barangay Bacolas and Ipuluhan OFW and Vendors Association. Combined.
Good morning, everyone. Hello, people. Are you ready? Hello, people is here. Stand up and cheer. Hold it all together. Avance Bravo. My good mom, Kami Manwa. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And now let's have the Federation of OFW Bacolod Incorporated. Nasaan sila? Ayun na sa harap. Thank you so much for the Legion of OFW Bacolod. Maraming salamat po. Let's have the IOFWA Pilar OFW Association. Nasaan sila? The Pilar OFW Association. Nasaan sila? Wala ba? Ayun ba? Ayun ba? Nasa taas. From Barangay Pilar, Manigaran, Negros, Occidental. Please prepare your hand to OFW Association of Manigaran. Okay.
Good morning, everyone. Ginigano, are you ready? Sinubyaw! Sinubyaw! Hindi ka na! Sinubyaw! Sinubyaw! Now we need our
OFW Family Federation. Nasaan kayo mahal? Doon, sige tayo ngayon. Please prepare Barangay Bukana Entrepreneur OFW Association.
Good morning, everyone! Bago City, are you ready? B-A-G-O! Bago! Ascenso na! CEO! Ascenso Pride Land and Show! Buhay ang OFW! Ascenso
Ascenso Bago, maraming salamat po. Dapat sa Barangay Bukana Entrepreneur OFW Association. Nasaan kayo? Nasaan sila, Ma'am Ann? Bukana, please stand. Nasaan kayo? Kayo.
Smart ko anong din.
Ayun, Ma'am Emma. Please prepare Barangay Takalan OFW Agriculture and Business Association.
Why don't pinakusog na, no? Ang hindi.
Ano
Ay,
kusog?
mga ano, ano ba naging ka? Mga bata.
Show us what you got. 3, 2, 1, and go!
Mga high speed ang pagnet ko na. Insert.
Wala, Ma'am Ann? Wala. Sige, let's proceed with you. Mamaylan City OFW Association, LGU.
Sige pa tayo mo wifi?
Nasaan? Tumayo. Ayun, Ma'am Ann. Ayun, Ma'am Ann. Please prepare Taong Overseas Filipino Workers Association ng Hito Baka.
Himawayan City Local Government Union OFW Association 618, are you ready? Padayon, Marlan! Padayon! Go, go, go!
Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po. Now, please join us. Himamaylan, Taong Overseas Filipino Workers Association. Nasaan kayo? Tao. Tumayo. Ayun ang orange. Sa likod. Mag-read ko sa red. Please prepare yung mga OFW Welfare Association ng Barangay at Tipolo. Please prepare.
Pero mo yun.
Para. No.
3, 2, 1, show us what you've got.
OFW City Dubai, are you ready? One, two, let's go, go, go. We gotta go, we gotta act, we gotta W. Pamilya OFW. Pamilya kasama sa akong pamilya. Katahilungan. Bunga sa akong banwa. Malakas ko. Maringon. Isa ka tulong. Padayon OFW! Kami OFW sa Sinuman! OFW sa Sinuman, guys na! White Sinuman!
Live stream ba na pa ito?
Maraming salamat po. One Hito Baka. Now please, United OFW Welfare Association Barangay at Tipolo. Nasaan kayo? Please stand. Wala? Wala. Sige, let's proceed to Kawayan Association of the Responsive and Empowered OFWs. Meron? Ayan.
Kung sir?
Ano daw ko na lang galing sa imo. Para
Performance level, hindi sila ganyan. Kawayan Association of Responsive and Empowered OFWs. Show us what we have got. Please prepare opioid sila yung OFW Federation.
Ano lang kami? Ano yun?
Ano ka naman po?
Ano nang...
Para duwa kasi yung gawin.
Hindi mo lang kami? Pala yun, no?
Sapag lang. Nag-load na.
Show us what is
Hindi mo na nakikita.
Hawaiian Association of Responsive and Empowered OFWs 3, 2, 1, and go!
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting Sanya
Naload mo na sa akin or sino?
Ako na lang ganun ako. Pero may load na niya. Balikan ko na lang para
Association of Responsive and OFWs, they invited Elias. Now, sa opioid sila yung OFW Federation na saan kayo? Bear sa mind, sa gitna, ready. Show us what you've got in 3, 2, 1, and go!
Good morning, everyone. Are you ready to slide?
We saw us opioids sa scenario with Elias and sex bomb dancers. Now let's have OFW Federation of Don Salvador Benedicto. Nasaan sila? Here mga eyes, sa harapan ko.
You're ready, people? Are you ready, Salvadorian? John Salvadorian? We
Maraming salamat po Don Salvador. Now let's have San Enrique OFW Families Association. Nasaan kayo? Ayan mga ang room sa harapan mo. Can you give the microphone please? Yun. Pabigay na po. Please prepare the Caloocan City OFW Federation. Lakar lang tayo, ibangay. Please prepare Manapla OFW Federation, Barangay Tabu OFW Livelihood Farmers Association, open last.
Maayong araw sa tanan! Magpayloka! Bong taran-taran! Bong taran-taran! Taran-taran! Bong, bong, bong! Nalagpat sa pulman ng pagkatinong tabahan! Let's go! Dapat-dapat!
Thank you so much, Nakakalota, with special participation of Willie in the area. Now, please join us, Manapla OFW Federation, nasaan kayo? Here ang eyes, barangay. Wala pa tayo pinasupusan. Maraming salamat po. Now, to complete our organizations, our associations, let's have Barangay Tabu OFW Livelihood Farmers Association. Nasaan kayo? Wala na. Finish na ito naman. Alright. Wala tayo kalimutan ha. Alright, we're all set. Yes. Mabigyan naman ng microphone sila mga sa likod, please. At the back. Ayun, sa likod, yung nakagalang box. Mabigyan naman sila ng microphone. Sa likod. Grabe the energy, no? So please enjoy your snacks, guys. And sa mga hindi pa nakalaglag na magagawa, we have here the Lolo, please drop. Alright, last na po sila. We are ready. 3, 2, 1, and go.
Good morning, mga people!
There you have it. Maraming salamat po. Let's give ourselves a big round of applause. Palakpakan naman po. Grabe ka energy today. And of course, we would like also to acknowledge the people here in front of our big visitors, our special guests. Of course, before we proceed to the welcome message, let's have here. Our VIP guest, Honorable Eugenio Cebol Lacson, the Governor of the Negros Occidental. Please give us a big round of applause to Governor. He wasn't able to be here today, pero his support will always be with everyone. We also have Honorable Greg Chica Sataya, the City Mayor of Bacolod City. Palakpakan naman po ng Mayor. Representative, we have East Jovelyn Nanoy Kuon, the Executive Assistant. Hi, Ma'am Lisnel. The representative from PhilHealth, we have Yakup providers, we have Medicines Laboratory Center Bacolod, we have the representative, Ms. Christine P. Merano, the Information Officer, PhilHealth Bacolod. Hi ma'am, welcome. And of course, all our PESA managers here in front. Please stand, all our PESA managers, to be acknowledged. But of course, we will acknowledge you later on as they give you names. Maraming salamat po. So, this time we will hear a welcome message. So, energizer pala yung cheers and yells natin kanina. So, this time, let's formally welcome you all for this OFW Pangasinan 2025. Let's give the stage the very beautiful, sexy, supportive, my brothers, the OWA. Palakpakan naman po, the El Officer in charge of OWA Region 6, Ms. Riza Joy M. Valdez.
Thank you so much to our beautiful singer, Cindy Tamar. Good morning! We are starting the day with a very high energy, but of course, on behalf of our administrator, Attorney Patricia Simon Paulan, first and foremost, luyang din pasalamatan ang tagsa sa isa sa aton sa inyong presensya sa Bukaga, ang aton partner local government units, na nakapagpag-isa sa kontra, from the province to the city of Bacolod, to our beloved PESA managers and PESA officers, to our mother unit from the Department of Migrant Workers, to our partners from the different stakeholders, BDO, PhilHealth, among others, and the house sa tanan ang bilang sa Subukaga, ang OFW. Every year, as we culminate ang aton tuwid, we celebrate the OFW family. This day does not just merely recognize ang aton OFWs, but we deem it right to also celebrate the families sa aton OFWs. Ang pamilya na naging angkla, ang pamilya na naging puso, ang pamilya na naging inspirasyon at katuwang sa paglabot sa mga OFWs. So this activity, we hope that more than just a celebration, we also recognize the strength, the veracity, kag ang pagpalanggang sa tagsa ng mga OFWs kaglabaw sa tanan sa ilang na pamilya. Damo luha ng inulog, damo birthdays ng mga walang natanan, damo Pasko na walang nakugdan. Apag sa lingkod sa sakripisyo, may matamis na yuhong sa tagsa katagipusuan sa ating OFWs. Because we know na ang ilang mga budlay para sa kailan sa ilang mga pinalanggang na pamilya. And with all that they do, and with all that they endure, kabay na aton sila hindi lang pasibugan, kundi pasalamatan sa pagpalangga at suporta. At OWA, we will continue to work hand in hand, kaupod sa ating local government unit, the provincial government of Negros Occidental, Bacolod City, among others, because hindi naman minihirap. But this day, we will celebrate, we will give them honor, and provide na ang ating OFW family mapuno sa pagigugma, pagkikiusap, kag pagdayo. Nabaw sa tanan, we bring back all the glory and honor to Jesus Christ, because walang pinadali sa buong kung wala siya. Palakpakan natin ang ating mga OFWs. Salamat sa inyong presensya, itakuan. Cheers sa Elias pa lang, na wala na may mapapirti. No? Wala
Anyway, I am Jovlin Canada, representing the office of Mayor Red Sedaya. Currently, ako first choice to represent him here. I'm supposed to be at sa province, attending an event I also committed to. But because OFW is under peso, bring it on. But on my way here, ginsend sa akin ni Mayor Guys ang iyong sabi. Promise, nag-ibig ko. You know why? Because once I was an OFW. And the message of Mayor Greg Sedaya started this way. Allow me to dispense recognizing my fellow peso managers kaya na-stranded kami sa Iloilo. Lood-lawid na ang mutla na 5 days kid. But Ma'am Liza Joy, thank you so much. Sir, on behalf of Mama Ligonza, maraming salamat. Ma'am Sally, good morning. And of course, I'd like to recognize the OFW of Bacolod City. Doon tayo rin sila. But I am also right now thinking that we will try to recalibrate with the OFW Association Organization of Bacolod City. So, coming in, okay? Assuming that I am Mayor Greg Sedaya right now, before anything else, allow me to begin with a simple image. A suitcase by the door closed, steady, ordinary man, heavy, with every hope a family has ever whispered. Many in this room know that that suitcase is better than most. They know how it feels to close it while holding back tears, and how it feels to carry it across oceans with a quiet promise. I will do this for my family. I will do this so they can have a brighter future. This gathering honors the people behind the suitcases, our OFWs who make the hardest decision, any parent, a child, or spouse to make. To leave home so their beloved ones can stand on firm ground. It is also an honor to the families who came and carried the weight of that absence with courage, patience, and love that never waits. Christmas has always been the season when the world slows down, just enough for the heart to speak. It is also the time when the distance feels longer. Silence feels louder, and the longing for the homes become impossible to ignore. Yet, it is also the season that reminds everyone why families endure those separations. Because love gives, love sacrifices, and love finds a way. And for countless OFWs here today, those sacrifices have opened doors. Love finds its way, and sometimes love lost. Hindi ko sa naman. Sa love lost. But the LGU of Bacolod City in one way is always believe. We strengthen the future and change lives in ways that ripple across generations. That is what makes always OFW homecoming or this activity of the heart one that brings family closer together. Even briefly, and reminds us that behind every remittance we pay is a video call and a silent night spent waiting. It's a dream for a better life and a Filipino band that is stronger than any border. The sacrifices of OFW missing home, missing birthdays of their children, graduations, ordinary dinners, monthsaries, anniversaries, and small moments that matter more than itself have helped many families stand taller, dream bigger and build a more secure future for the family. These acts of love, often done in silence and far from their home, hold their families together in ways that words can barely describe. The families who remain here embody a different kind of courage. They hold the home together, keep traditions alive, and carry the resilience that gives their loved ones abroad the strength to endure loneliness and uncertainties. Their steadfast is a reminder that love is not measured by proximity, but by the hearts that kept a wild apart. OWA and its partners play a vital role in bringing these two cultural stories together by creating moments like this moment. The moment open, sharpen, and soften the hearts of the men. Creating a moment like this will also bring bridges that divide us all while ago. Now we embrace a community that stands with them, not only in the celebration but in solidarity. This Christmas, we will remember that family is not defined by the bonds that divide us, but by the love that refuses to fade. And as a city, we pledge to continue supporting our modern day heroes and their families who wait from them not only during holidays, but throughout every day their sacrifices carry a community forward. Let me end by saying this. As a father myself, I cannot imagine being away from my family for such a long time. What we do is truly unimaginable sacrifice. But I understand that for parents like me, such is birth. For if Christmas were a sound, and it would be a laughter of our families. If Christmas were alive, it would be a glow in the parents' eyes upon seeing their children graduate, hanging a diploma on their wall, and succeed in life without making them sacrifice. And if Christmas were a promise, it would be this that love, no matter how far it travels, always find its way back home. Merry Christmas to every OFW families here and even your families abroad. Thank you so much, and your hearts return with another fully and joyful without distance. As a city, we pledge for continuous supporting our modern day heroes. Maraming salamat.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, once again, our beloved City Mayor of Bacoor, Honorable Greg G. Gasmaya, and of course, our representative executive assistant, Ms. Jovelyn Trano in Bacoor. Maraming salamat po for your very warming message to each one of us. Also, I was so touched of it as the pair also with 6 to 9 months contract on board, celebrating birthdays, Christmas, months, of course, New Year away from your family is really hard. But of course, saludo to all the OFWs. So I was also, I experienced also it's Christmas time, December 24, in the evening we're having Puno, Piston, the Barco, and we'll also have Scammy Chico. Napakahirap po. You're celebrating it away from your family, but of course, all the sacrifices you feed off. At maraming salamat po sa ating mga OFW. Palakpakan naman po. Alright, so at this point, let's also hear a message coming from Miss Glenda M. Aliguanza, original director of the DFW, but she was not able to be here. He said his representative is supervising labor and employment officer. Palakpakan naman po for Mr. Richard Acosta. Sir, welcome.
umaga sa tanan, and Merry Christmas. Sa pagsulod ko din na, ako binabadyan, ako ba kalipay, no? So, nakita ko kung ano ang pagpalanda ng tagsa-tagsa ng pamilya na sa innovasyon. Ang ini-innovasyon hindi lang isang activity o program or hindi isa ka pag-recognize sa tinatawag nato na pamilya, no? Na nagsakripisyo para sa bukas na plan. So, ako ipagalami Director na ito sa tungkol na ang akong director niya, doon si Ma'am, yung isa ka mag-describe yung Ma'am Glenda is very enthusiastic, very energetic. Ang tagline is Glenda Touchmore. So, ano ko, hindi ko si Mr. Richard Acosta sa Department of Migrant Worker. Sa wala nagkakilala sa ako, I've been with the Department of Labor for 30 years. No? So, nag-transfer ko na sa Department of Migrant Worker last July 2025 ay nakita na ko ang kinanglanon at ang dapat may patungan din sa Negros Island region na pagtukod sa opisina na mag-auligin sa OFW. So, sa pagpunta sa kata, napagdalanan yung message si Ma'am Glenda. Sir, represent me the OFW family today. So, insigita, improved. So, ako na yung message ni Ma'am Glenda. This Christmas season, we extend our warmest greetings to our overseas Filipino workers, and most especially to their families, the silent pillars behind every sacrifices made abroad. So sa pamilya sa OFW, hindi ka basta ang pamilya, kundi ka mo ang paligid. No? Ang silent pillars of their encouragement and their sacrifices. To our OFWs, your courage, perseverance, and dedication continue to lead not only families but also our nation. Your labor and sacrifices embody the true spirit of Bayanihan, carrying the values of hard work, faith, and love across countries and borders. To the families of our OFWs, your strength, patience, and unwavering support give meaning to every mile of separation. You are the foundation that gives our modern day heroes courage to endure distance for a better future. As we celebrate Christmas, a season of hope, love, and forgiveness, we remember that the greatest gift is not material wealth, but the enduring bond of family and the promise of reunion. May this season renew our faith, comfort our hearts, and remind us that no distance is too far when love holds us together. On this OFW Family Day, we reaffirm our gratitude and commitment to continue supporting programs and initiatives that promote welfare, protection, and empowerment of OFWs and their families. On behalf of our Secretary Hans K. Akdam and our Regional Director Glenda Aguilonza, we are united and committed to support the OWA program and the protection and the integration and welfare of our OFW here in Negros Occidental and Oriental, and mostly in Negros Island region. May the light of Christmas bring peace to your home, strength to hearts, and hope for a better future ahead. And sa tanang-tanang na OFW, sa pamilya ninyo, hindi pa nito ako sa mga taga-OFW. Maligayang Pasko and keep us alive with the love of our family. Thank you very much.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen. The marketing officer for the Visayas of Campo de Oro, please welcome Ms. Paz Defense. Palakpakan naman po.
Thank you so much. Good morning sa tanan. Mayong aga. Ayan, of course, ito pa namin yung ginagawa ng ating Overseas Workers Welfare Administration. Thank you so much through the years for partnering with BDO. Thank you. And of course, hello to our BDI guests. Mayong aga sa inyong tanan. And of course, our participants, especially to the OFW of Negros Occidental Federation Incorporated, headed by Ms. Sean S. Carlos. And of course, to our other OFW associations, federations, and it's such an honor for me also maaari ang mga nandun sa Salvador, Benedicto. And of course, thank you so much to the SM Group Empire. Ayan, thank you so much SM Supermalls, SM City Bacolod, for being always there sa mag-provide sa logistics. Of course, BDO, Unibank, my colleagues, your branches, Bacolod Araneta, Plaza, Golden Field, SM North, SM South, and of course, Charles, my partner, and of course, thank you, BDO Network. Thank you so much, BDO Network, Battery, Science City, and of course, SM City, Bacolod, Sky Hall. And of course, we have our US Kapamilya, the National University. Kasi interested yung mga bata, mag-school, pwede nila makapainwal and ma-inquire. So, ayun, Puro thank you. Ayan, quick lang. Of course, Merry Christmas sa inyong tanan. And of course, my heart goes with sa mga OFW, emote. Masakti ko lang paano yung Christmas. Actually, I am an OFW daughter because my father was a construction worker sa Taiwan. So I know how it feels, so I enjoy that. And on Christmas, di ba wala sila? I don't know. So ako na nakasakit na, of course, this is our way na para mag-enjoy ang mga OFW. Because naisipihan ko, of course, as an OFW daughter, that's why my heart belongs to the OFW. So, madam, maraming salamat. Uy, music please! Palagi na diba? Masyaba ka na ako. Ready na ba mga sirs? Pakita niyo yung mga video, ATM, and passbook to win a prize. Dapat ang nag-inquire sa raffle, ha? Ayan. Music please! Ayan. Change of emotion tayo. Madam, kapag anyway, ang pakulo na or just show your ATM and passports and then we'll give you some surprise. Yan. Music please. Yes! Of course, ang mga team namin, i-claim nyo ang prizes. So again, madami kita salamat sa inyo ang muling video. Madami kita salamat sa Overseas Workers Welfare Administration, especially to Marisa, Ma'am Nan, all the peso heads and officers. So, madami kita salamat. Okay na, sir? Ay! Ay! It's time to do a karaoke. Yes! Tapos hindi naman I need your help, Dr. Please. Thank you so much. Yes, everybody, okay na ba? Okay na ang mga kaibigan ng mas kumalakuan. Yes! Everybody!
Very well, ladies and gentlemen, maraming salamat po to our marketing officer of Visayas for the PDO, Miss Pazam Meso. Maraming salamat po for your karaoke challenge, and thank you so much to our BDO, our partner, for this year's 2025 OFW Family Day. Maraming salamat po. Also, we would like to acknowledge the Disaster Risk Reduction Management Office of Dipa Colon. Maraming salamat for joining us. And kung sino man po yung hindi ba tayong pakiramdam, meron tayo dyan disaster risk reduction. Nandiyan sila sa likod, no? Kung if you need some help regarding your health, nandun sila sa likod. Maraming salamat po. Alright, let's also hear a message coming from our partner agency and stakeholder. Let's have Miss Christine P. Berano, the Information Officer of the PhilHealth Bacolod. Please give her a big round of applause, ma'am. Please join me here. Palakpakan naman po. Saan si ma'am? I'm here, yes ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. Grabe, ilang energy has, no? Di ba yung makanta? Ayaw ako. Nakapagpagar. Kasi next year, din ako siguro makanta. However, no, wala ko ma-prepare sa amon na talent portion. But, we prepared 50 packs of grocery packages for our participants this morning. Naging hapon, tapos sa lakad, alin sa likod. So, hindi na po magkanta, no? Kasi ako, pag ina po, hindi pa ito mag-ibot, lumagkatag sa mga Christmas basket, no? Mas napagpakan natin sa Spaz, no? Grabe, ganyan energy mo. Na pressure, hindi ako magpulo sa iya. Ma'am, next time, ipaulihin na lang si Miss Spaz. Sige, so later, may raffle, itali pa raffle na nalaman na Christmas packs, no? Para sa inyo. So if we have on our hand, Mr. Edgar Locariza, would like to greet everyone a good morning and a happy OFW Family Day to all our Mother Day heroes and your families. So today is a celebration of your hard work, sacrifices, and the strength that holds every OFW family together. So we are grateful to join you in this event and to extend services that can support your health and well-being. So, we have invited two Yakap facilities. So, familiar kung ito na Yakap program in Kenya, mayroon kita sa consultation, 13 na laboratory tests, and 21 drugs and medicines. So, nag-invite kami, we have ICM Manila Incorporated. So, ang ina-office is located sa Barangay Filipino beside King's Hotel. And also, we have Medicines Laboratory Incorporated. Their office or their clinic is located sa likod sa Jollibee. So if you're interested, no, on later, actually ongoing, kung nag-register kami sa Yakap, may araw na on-site na consultation, may araw na on-site na laboratory test, no, yung mga nakapa-extract ng na nag-instruction kita, and may harapan sa mga medicines, no, na gina-hatag sa ito. So later, if maka-time ka mo, please drop by the booth sa atin ng mga Yakap facilities partner. And if wala pa kang makaregister sa Yakap, we also have a PhilHealth information desk available until the program ends. So later, your questions or inquiries about PhilHealth. So once again, thank you for your dedication and for the love you continue to give your families in our country. Enjoy the celebration and have a meaningful OFW family. Thank you so much. Good morning.
Here we have, ladies and gents, maraming salamat Miss Christine B. Berano, the Information Officer of our PhilHealth Bacolod. Palakpakan naman po for Miss Christine. Ayan, so we prepare this for everybody, but this time we'll be choosing 5 winners. So sir, I will be giving you a sound there and we'll ibigay ko yung title ng song. No? So, give me the title of the song. We prepare this, ma'am. Ready ba tayo dyan, sir? Yes, ready. So first, song to read our package here. DJ, play the music. What's the title of the song? Yes, ano? Yes, ma'am. Giling-giling ba? Ma'am, clear na. Dahil mananalo ka, igiling-giling mo yan. Hey, halo palakpakan ako pa si Mima. Catherine from Victoria's, you win our package for today, ma'am. Ayan, please assist in giving one package for ma'am. Ayan. Please join us. Abang-abang po. Dahil nahalan tayo, ha? Ma'am, please. Have a good look. Perfect. Next song, ibigay mo na, DJ. Wait. Here. No, ang next song na kita. Yes, ma'am. Spaghetti pababa. Spaghetti, basta spaghetti. Alright, congratulations, ma'am. Ibigay mo na ang spaghetti. 5, 6, 7, 8. Congratulations, ma'am. Perfect. Maraming salamat po. Yun, ma'am, sa taxi. Ay, ganyan sa akin, ma'am. Alright, maraming salamat po. Please